Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from AWS Secrets Manager for ML pipelines securely. Detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw secrets from AWS Secrets Manager for machine learning pipelines securely, begin by logging into your AWS Management Console. Navigate to the AWS Secrets Manager service on the dashboard. Locate the secret that you want to retrieve for your machine learning project. Click on the name of the secret to open its details. Make sure to review the secret's metadata for any relevant information, such as version ID or description. Next, you need to set up your development environment to securely access the secrets. Install the AWS command line interface if you haven't done so already. Configure the AWS CLI with your access keys and preferred region. Use the command AWS Secrets Manager get secret value followed by the appropriate parameters. Specify the secret ID or ARN in the command to pinpoint the secret you wish to access. Run the command to pull the secret from AWS Secrets Manager. Ensure you handle the output securely, as it may contain sensitive information. If using SDKs like Boto3 for Python, be sure to import the necessary libraries. Establish a session with AWS by initializing a Boto3 client for Secrets Manager. Use the get_secret_value method of the client, passing in the secret ID. Process the response to extract the secret information needed for your ML pipeline. Implement best practices by encrypting the retrieved secret before using it in your application. Finally, always ensure the disposed secrets or temporary variables containing sensitive data are cleared from memory. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.